Get ready. Time for the Rapple Star.
Yep.
Yes, I pronounced it wrong on purpose.
Yeah.
Oh, this is such a
did that
beautiful
sometimes.
place. Let's
Like how
destroy
you're
it.
playing this game badly on purpose.
Not according to Radomir, but I don't really care about Radomir.
You know, the orange guy grows the fangs.
Yeah.
Basically just boo. You know? Do you agree? You know?
My brain is dead.
Yeah.
Why?
Because
Why didn't I get hit, or why did I throw it away, or why
Yeah, why
didn't
throw
he?
it away? Fire and electricity. Oh, actually, this is way better. Never mind. Just
That's
throw
not the
shit.
point why I got it, but yeah. Yeah. Oh no,
Just
I'm.
like that 3 stones on top of each other is just classified as a living, breathing thing in Kirby. Uh-oh, it's a saw.
It's going by Pokemon rules.
Oh yeah. Pokemon 3 types. Oh, that was easy. Are you just gonna? Is this like a boss rush stage?
I have no idea. Actually, no. This is the very first level in the Kirby in general. It's just a recreation of it.
Just the first level ever in Kirby.
Mm-hmm.
Of
Pretty
this,
faithful.
no, of Nintendo 64 Kirby, yes.
Oh, okay.
The very first level you play in this game is just a recreation of it.
It's just harder or some shit?
No,
Yep.
not even.
You were saying.
Jake, I don't even think you know what difficulties are.
You're right. I don't. Cause, a lot of reasons. I don't know. Yeet. See? Yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah, yeet. Get the one up. Get the one up, bro.
No,
Get it.
no.
Oh,
Why aren't you
Don't
getting the
go
one?
to the
Idiot.
Yeah.
fucking one up.
There we go. I got a
I
star.
shouldn't be able to tell you to do
Why not? You know what? This is gonna be really short, so I'm just gonna add this one too.
So we're just doing 2 levels for 1 video, boys?
Yeah, I guess so.
Like that first level took 2 minutes.
Yeah. I'm genuinely surprised they didn't cut the episode anyways, because that's
Yeah.
just, well,
That was like 35 seconds. Like,
I know. That's why I do mine based on time.
Usually I do base mine on time, but not for level wise. I just cut it per level.
That literally means you don't do it based
You
on
could just do 3 levels in one video.
yeah, just. I mean, sometimes some levels might take up their whole video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is why I like to do mine on pacing.
Yeah. I'm not sure.
Slacker does his on levels too.
Well, sometimes.
A lot of it. Sonic Adventure has no reason to be split up per character.
I will just do it whenever. I'll just.
6 times as long as Biggs.
Whenever the next big story thing happens in a game.
Big the Kid is in the new Sonic Racing game.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Is he voiced by the Gookum guy?
Probably.
Hopefully.
Wait, what's down there? Ow.
Oh,
You know there are
Like-
easier ways to fall, right?
No.
style.
Yeah, style. Come on, style points, broski.
Die, it doesn't count. Or if you get hit, it doesn't count.
Come on, broski.
I'm being
How many
called
times do you
everything
get
but-
that?
Every time I'm just being called everything but bros. I'm surprised.
Alright, bros.
There we go. Oh, don't act like you're not guilty of this, Slacker. You called me bores in the session calls chat.
It was an accident.
I know that, but I'm gonna hang
What?
it over your head.
You know what? Let's see. What else can I call you except for bros? Oh.
This is why you don't say no to Jake.
Let me see. Oh, cool, invincibility. Let's see if we can find a way to die with this.
So be careful what you wish for.
Knowing Jake, he'll find some way to do that.
Well, you can't. He doesn't have that now, so we don't have to worry.
He's like the in Charlotte. You just got to make sure.
Go for the one up. Go for the one up. Go for the one up. Go
I
for
don't
the
know.
one
The
up.
tomato looks kind of good.
Yeah. Yeah, I got the star.
Close enough.
Thank you, David. Thanks, Dave. All right, let's sign off.
Very basic task. Congratulations.
Let's sign off. I've been real, just Jake, and my comrades have been.
Wondering why we're cutting the episode so early.
Yeah, I'm caught by the surprise. Also, I'm gross.
You never saw it coming. Or you bet my
I
mind
did.
is too fast for eyes.
Jake, are you
I-
still
I-
friends?
I set myself
No,
up for that.
I'm not actually.
I set myself up.
All right, good night, everyone.
Why not?
Have sweet dreams.